Scalping Forex has become a hot topic in the trading community, and for good reason. It can be a lucrative way to generate profits, especially with the right strategy. In this video, we'll dive into a 5-minute strategy that's been gaining traction among retail traders, and we'll explore how you can replicate its success. Scalping involves making multiple trades in a short period, typically within a few minutes, with the goal of capturing small profits from each trade. The key to successful scalping is finding a strategy that works consistently, and that's where our 5-minute strategy comes in. This strategy is based on the popular trend reversal indicator, which uses a combination of moving averages and RSI to identify potential reversals in the market. Here are the specific parameters. We'll use a 50-period moving average and a 20-period moving average, with an RSI of 14 periods. We'll also use a 1-minute chart to monitor the market, but we'll enter trades on a 5-minute chart to avoid overtrading. When the 50-period